This week, the euro against US dollar has risen in value. The week started with this indecision candle where the price was going up and down between this resistance and support level. Then for the 3 days, the price has stopped at 1.162, could not manage to go further down, but then we can see on Wednesday the price formed a strong bullish candle going above 1.16636. After this bullish breakout, I have shared this inside the premium analysis with the traders that I am targeting the next resistance level, and we can see in the next day the price has continued to rise in value, reaching 1.17589, and from here the price has returned back down. On a Friday there was less volatility than in the previous 2 days. Weekly time frame just shows us a continuation of the bullish momentum, which I have mentioned in the previous week analysis, that there is high potential that the price will continue to rise in value. Now we can see the price has reached this area 1.17589, which is a strong resistance level. So this means that the price will try to reach higher price levels. We need just to wait for a breakout at this area of resistance. What I'm expecting next week, based on this one, what I can see, a bullish breakout will be potentially possible next week, and especially on the 1 hour time frame we need to see when this will happen. When this happens, this will allow the price to reach higher price levels, where the next target is first 1.18134, this one here, and the final one is 1.18677. Then after that we will see how the price will behave around this area of resistance where the price has reached in the previous attempt. We can see in the previous attempt there was a strong bearish pin bar right here at the resistance level, which has pushed the price all the way back down. So this price is attacking this area for the first time, second time, third time. For the fourth time, the price is trying to reach higher price levels, which means to go above this area of resistance, and there is high potential that this will happen. So I'm more inclined to see euro against US dollar to high price levels, going further up above this area of resistance, waiting for a clean breakout of the daily time frame above this area of resistance, and then follow the market. That's all for this week. See you next time and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.